Using things like SurveyMonkey or even worse, paper-based survey forms? Well, Microsoft's got an answer for you and it's in the form of forms. Head on over to your Microsoft portal, click on the app launcher, and if it isn't already there, click on More, which will be taken to there, and then click on Forms. When you go into Forms, you can either select a template or create a form from scratch by clicking New Form. It'll help you create what you like or choose from one of the existing templates. You can view your responses in a nice graphical interface, and you can collect responses by sending an email or a shortened URL to your subjects. It also lets you create a QR code that you can put somewhere, or a iframe that would go into your website or blog. So, how are you going to use Microsoft Forms to supercharge the way you collect responses from your customers or industry research that you're doing?